Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I will be printing a Batarang. So I am currently working on a video about a Batman cowl for half my face. But it's taking a very long time to work on, so I'm taking a break on that and I'm going to print a Batarang for that, kind of. You'll find out when it gets published. After this one gets published soon. And I'm going to print it the Batman cowl, that's later. / earlier. I'm going to print the Batarang in my blue flexible filament because that's the only flexible filament I have. I'm going to print it in flexible so I can throw it at things and it won't break. And hopefully not break people either if I throw it at people. It probably won't be, unless, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to print it in this and then I'm going to use Sharpie or permanent marker to color all over it, make sure it's black, and then throw it at some stuff. So, let's go. Actually, wait, before we go, I'm going to say something. So for printing flexible with the monoprice, it can be a little bit tricky. So what you need to do is basically, I've been able to do it. It's fairly simple, especially, I don't know how flexible this is compared to other stuff, but it can stretch, and it's loose, it's bendy. It's a good flexible filament for what I like. You just slow it down to, I don't actually know what speed, maybe like 10 millimeters per second. I'm not sure, somewhere around that or a little bit more. I'll put it in the description down below what speed I'm doing, or will be doing. And then you just gotta make sure, you gotta watch it occasionally and make sure it doesn't clog up right here. Because this is where it happens. Because as the wheel spins and pushes the filament through, it can spin and then push it out to the side rather than straight through. And once it goes up to the side, it wants to keep going up to the side rather than down the tube. So it'll go up and make this big loop that'll keep just spitting it out in the loop while the head is trying to print and it's not getting any filament, so it's not actually spitting anything out and printing anything. So you just need to watch this and keep it at a very low speed and things should work out fine. Usually if I see it start doing that, I'll alleviate the pressure by pinching that thing and it will spring back. It may leave a little gap in the print, but I haven't had any problems with that. And then it should work out good. So now let's print the Batarang. Okay, so the print finished, and it is right here. It is very small, but what I did, excuse me, was I shrunk it down so that it would fit inside the printing area, because I wanted it to be quicker, and it took 2.5 hours, because it was so slow, because I put it on the filament setting, or that did not make any sense. I put it for flexible filament. Now, with my printer, I will not actually have a speed at which I printed it because my printer is weird in many ways. One of these ways is with how fast the print goes. So I can set it at a speed on Cura, put it in here, and it'll go at that speed. And then while it's printing, I can use the dial and change it to a certain increments out of 1 to how fast it'll go out of that. So if it's going 30 and I turn it down to 0.5, about that interruption. So if it's brought down to 0.5, then out of 30, it's now 15 millimeters per second. So then, from there, I start the next print. It's still going at 0.5, but it jumps back to increments out of 1. So then if I put that at 0.5, it'll be half that. And I figured this out after I'd used it for a while, and I'm assuming, so I have no idea actually how fast it's going. I just kind of gauge it on how fast I see it going, and I don't know how to fix it. I haven't actually searched online how to fix it or anything. If you have any ideas, put it in the comments. That'd be nice to know. So, I don't know how fast it was going, but it finished in about 2.5 hours. So I'm going to take this dollar store permanent marker that I used in one of my previous videos, and I'm going to color this thing black. Boom! It finished. I finished sharpening it. So it is a very dark blue now. Also, about the dollar store markers, if you guys did see the other video, you'll know that these aren't very good for coloring your filament. You can click on the video after, near the end of this video, hopefully. They like melt ABS filament from these dollar store ones and dissolve it until there's nothing left. So they're like an acetone base of some kind, which makes them toxic, just so you know. But this thing is very small, so it doesn't look like the real Batarang, but I can throw it at things and it bounces right back. Caught it. Okay, hit flat, so it just landed. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like Batman or this video, give it a like. And if you like 3D printing stuff, subscribe to my channel. And yes, leave me a comment if you like Batman or if you prefer a different superhero. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.